We're continuing Transportation Week, and if you lived on a farm like Mrs. Truax, a form of transportation for you may be a tractor. There's all different kinds of tractors, and what we're going to do today is we're going to draw a small tractor, maybe that's kind of old, and we do need our circle tracers. I still have my tape from yesterday, and I have my applesauce cup. And on one end, I'm going near the bottom. Okay, I'm going to trace my applesauce cup. This is going to be for my back tire. And then I'm going to put the tape in the middle and make another circle inside of it. Okay, you don't have to use the tape to do that. You don't even have to, you could just draw two circles and they kind of look like a donut. So that would be fine. Now we're gonna come up a little bit and make the front tire. Normally on a tractor, the front tire is smaller than the back tire. Okay, I'm just making sure it looks like it's about the same place. Okay, and the inside. Okay. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line that almost connects them. Okay, draw lightly, then we can trace over it later. Okay, and then I'm going to add a line up. It should go about the height of the back tire. And then I'm gonna curve it around and come back towards the back tire and stop about there. And I come up a little bit. And then down. I add a fender. And a steering wheel. And a little bit of a seat that you can kind of see sitting up here. Add my exhaust pipe. I could make that a little taller. I want to make the exhaust come out, and I make to make it curly Q. You could make it say something if you wanted. And now you could add extra details. So there's where I'm gonna stop for now. And like I said, you could add even more details if you wanted. I'm gonna do kind of a simple drawing. I'm gonna use my marker and trace. And if you want to think about what kind of tractor you want to trace it with, you could use any color. There's tractors of all different colors. So you can draw any kind of tractor you want.